Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, your front facing camera of your iPhone is not working. Now, this can happen for a couple different reasons. If it's just your front camera and not your back camera, that can very well be some sort of issue with, your phone itself, most probably. So, you may have to send your phone into Apple, to get it repaired. The first thing you want to do is make sure nothing's in front of the camera, make sure there's no case or, screen protector residue, whatever the case is. You want to make sure you have nothing obstructing your way from your front camera. Now, let's say you open up an app like Snapchat, for example, and you can see that for some reason it doesn't allow you to access the front camera. The back camera doesn't seem to be working, but you're not worried about that. The front camera doesn't seem to be working mostly. Same thing with Instagram and all these other apps. Well, most probably what this is you just need to allow the specific app inside of your settings. So what you need to do, as long as it's functional. Now, if you open up your camera app and you see that the front-facing camera isn't working here either, then this probably means that the camera is probably faulty, like I mentioned. If none of the cameras are working here, then that's a little bit of a different issue, which I'll get into in a second. But what we want to do in this specific situation is we want to open up our settings app. So we'll come here, and then what we want to do is we want to make our way over to our apps down here. Now, once you're here, you want to click on camera, and you can see a couple of different things. Now, typically, as long as you have some things here and you can see some information, then you're good. What you want to do then is you want to make your way over to your Instagram or Snapchat or whatever other app you're kind of seeing that the front camera is not working. If it's the actual camera app, like I mentioned, we'll get into that in a second. But what we want to do for like Instagram, for example, you want to click on Instagram and you want to find the toggle for the camera, which is right here. And you just want to make sure it's enabled on the right side. As long as it's enabled on that side, then you can pretty much verify that this specific issue is not the problem. If you see this and this is toggled off, then you pretty much know what the issue is. You want to toggle the specific toggle on, go back into that app and see if it's working. If it's working, then you're set. You don't have to watch this video anymore. But if it's still not working, the next thing I would recommend doing if it's not a hardware issue is to make your way back over to your settings app. You'll come into a panel here. You want to go into general right here, and you want to click on software update, which is right here. Now, to do this, you'll pretty much see maybe there's an update available for your device. And if your specific phone is a newer one or older one or whatever, you may have an update that probably fixed that specific thing. And if you're several updates far behind, then you are going to need to update your phone pretty much. So download the update, install the update, and you probably will be good to go. If it's still not working as of this point, you may have to send your iPhone into Apple to have them fix it, to be honest. And that's really all you need to do. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, so long.